Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see about how to generate IRN not generated voucher list report in Fresa application. So initially you needed to log into the system, and after your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now go to My Reports module. Here we have to search for the report. Through this report, we can view the IRN not generated invoices, credit note and debit note as well. So this report is particularly designed for Indian customers. Just click on the report. Now fill the from date. Fill the to date. Now choose the branch. After filling all the details, click on submit button. Once after you click, the report will get generated. If we click on any of these voucher number, then we can directly navigate to the voucher summary page. There we can find all the details regarding your voucher. If we click on download button, then we can download the report. If we open the report, then we can view the preview of the report downloaded. So this is how you can generate IRN not generated voucher list report in Fresa application. Thanks for watching.